In this video, I will tell you how to count total unique visitors in your Django website. A simple manual trick of Django for all and beginners. And you will know a lot of concept. At first, I will show you how it's work and I have tested it in shared hosting. Hey, this is B Learning Club. Welcome to the another tutorial of Django and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So this is my domain and total viewers is 1. It's me. Now go to Opera and I will open this domain with VPN. So now go to the browser and go to the site and total viewers is. Now go to Chrome and refresh it. Total viewers is 2. If you refresh more times but total viewers is 2, I am not a unique viewers, so the total viewers will not increase. Now I will open from mobile phone. Now refresh it and total viewers is 3. Now this is the Django app and go to models.py. Here is student class content name and email. In the previous video I have discussed how to add pagination. Now create another class user. User store the IP address of all users and define a function str which return self.user. Go to admin and register it and then make migration and migrate it. Now go to views. Now I going to create a function which return the IP address of user. So I have defined the get IP function. The get IP function will return the IP address of user. So create this function inside the index and index will return the base HTML. Now create a variable for the IP address. And get IP function will take the request argument. Now create a variable which store the IP address into our model. So let a variable u equal to user and user equal to IP. Now create a logic. At first I want if the same IP address if exists then store into a result variable. This is actual query. So at first import cube from django.db.model import cube. Now create a variable result. Result equal user dot objects dot filter and pass the queue and user underscore underscore I content equal IP. If IP exists in user model then it will store in result variable. So now I create a logic. So now create if block if len of our query is equal to 1, len of results equal 1, then IP address is exist. You can use pass argument but I want print in CMD. User exist. Now type else block. If user not exist then u.save and I want to print in CMD user is unique. For more specific I use elif block here. Elif len of result is greater than 1, then also print user exists. Here I want to print IP address in CMD, so print IP, it's for understanding. So enter and now create a variable for counting the objects in user model. Now create a variable count equal user dot object dot all and dot count. I want to print count in CMD, so print total users is count. So now go to return and pass the one more variable, it is count. Now go to the templates base HTML. Now top of the page I have created div class with alert success. It is a bootstrap class. So here pass the variable count. So type total visitors is equal count. So save it. And now run the localhost. So python manage.py run server. Now run the localhost. So there is an error, the result is not defined. Go to line number 31. So line number 31. So here is the variable results. It not results, it is result. So save it and run the localhost and go to browser. So it's running. Now you refresh it one more time, but total visitors is 1. Now I go to admin and I have already created a super user. The all IP address is being stored here. So I created another user, actually IP address 124.32.56.3132 actually. So save it and run the localhost again. Okay, you can see the total visitors is 2. So this function will count the total unique visitors in your website. So go to CMD and you can see the user IP address and user is exists, the total user is 2. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.